This video will take you through how to use the Digital Co-Teaching Weekly Planning template. This is the first page of the template. You were asked to make a copy, and now this template will appear in your drive. You may want to give it another name so you can easily find it. Since it is in your drive, you can edit it and make it your own. The first page shows the table of contents. There are links to the different headings that you will see in this video. If you click on the link, it will take you to the page that has that heading. As you customize your own weekly planning template, you will change this heading to actually represent a date from your unit. You can add more links and more headings as you add new weekly planning templates. The next page lists the co-teaching models. As you can see here, the co-teaching models are listed on the left, and a short description of how to carry out the model is right next to it. The models are color-coded according to when you should use them. Remember, our green models should be used often, and we should avoid using our red models as much as possible. This is a good page to reference as you are planning each week. When you look at a lesson, decide which model or models would best fit the activities in this lesson. The next page shows 3 different checklists. The first checklist is an overall co-teaching checklist. These are things you should do prior to stepping in front of the class with your co-teacher. Go through these with your co-teacher. If you find that something is not checked, make sure to address it right away. These are also great things to revisit, making sure that you are on the right path during your co-teaching journey. There are 2 other checklists. One is for when things are not working. You are bound to hit some roadblocks or barriers when you are co-teaching. This is a great place to reference. It gives you some tips and things to look at while having a conversation with your co-teacher about why things are not working. Then we also have one for when things are working. So if you are having a great co-teaching relationship and you're wondering how you can take things to the next level, this is a great checklist to look at and reference. Then you have a page that shows an example of the weekly co-teaching planning template. So as you can see here, this is a 6th grade science class. The first box shows the objectives. We have them written in student-friendly objectives or targets. You could also copy and paste your state standards, whatever is easier for you. We have a spot for your agenda, the activities you will be doing that day. And then right after that, you see a space for the co-teaching model. It's important to note that you can use one model or multiple models each day. It really just depends on what you will be doing during that class period. We have our vocabulary, so this is where we write our Tier 2 and Tier 3 words that we will need to be focusing on, and a spot for important links. Finally, there is a spot for reflection. Reflecting while co-teaching is important. This gives you a space to reflect on your lessons together. As often as you can, we understand that this can't happen every day. You should take a quick 2 to 5 minute break with your co-teacher and talk through what went well, what didn't go well, and what are some things you should remember for next year. This will set you up for success before stepping into the classroom together, teaching the following year. The following 3 pages look like this. They are a blank template of what was just shown. You can change the date to reflect the first unit you will start planning. Then you can fill out, as you see fit, all of the columns you see. When you get to the last page, you will want to make a copy of this blank template so you have it for the following page. Again, once you make a new heading, you can make a new link for your table of contents. We hope this will help you stay organized and have intentional planning with your co-teacher. Good luck!